Hey everybody, I'm Will with R&R Tire Express, and today we're in Orlando, Florida with none other than Mark Long. You know this guy from MTV Road Rules. He's done so many other things. Mark, how are you today? And tell us a little bit more about what you're working on right now.
I'm awesome, Will. Now, I started with Road Rules, then I went to such kind of wacky hosting things. I was a gadget guru on the Donnie and Marie show. I was the same thing on Soap Talk with Lisa Rinna. I did MTV Sports, a travel series for a while. Always have gone back to the challenges, and I have a little secret food project coming up. You're gonna actually see me trying to cook.
You heard it here first, right here. This is where you heard it. Well, listen, let's get to the important part, which is today, we're here at R&R Tire Express. We got your car here today. We're gonna be doing some awesome stuff to it. Tell us a little bit about what we're doing.
So if you look now, I love the BMW, but it kind of looks like your mom or dad car. So my friends are like, you gotta like change the rims or like paint the brake calipers. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here today. I'm doing black rims, new ones, and they're gonna paint the brake calipers red. So hopefully it'll look a little bit more MTV cool for me.
It's gonna look awesome. Now, listen, you could have taken your beautiful car anywhere. Why did you bring it here to R&R Tire Express today?
You guys are nationals. How many locations do you have?
147 as of right now.
Yeah, so if you're looking to trick out your car, new tires, new rims, brake calipers, whatever you want, R&R Tires is like the best, and I saw your guys' work and I'm fired up to do it.
Listen, you know what Mark Long's gonna do next? My job, all right? That was absolutely incredible. Mark, we're gonna roll your car back there, we're gonna get started on it, and you're gonna see the transformation process in just a minute.
Let's do this.
Hey guys, my name is Ishmael. What we're doing to this vehicle today, we're switching out the wheels, we're swapping sensors, and we're gonna paint his calipers. I took the factory wheels off. I set the aftermarket wheels that's gonna be put on. I've already set it up to the vehicle, and I just wanted to check the clearance, make sure it doesn't touch any kind of suspension component or calipers. I'm just looking for any kind of corrosion or built up or any kind of rust that's built up on this hub. And I have a brass wheel brush, and I'll clean this up. I am covering up all the areas that I don't want to get paint on. The hub, the actual rotor itself, the backing plate, the actual strut, and any kind of wire, brake line, ABS line, any kind of electrical connections or anything of that sort. Just cover everything up except the actual caliper that I wanted to get painted. It's a nice light coat. See, there's no kind of wind or anything, and I'm getting the spot that I need to do exactly. I am removing the TPMS sensor that is installed onto the factory wheels. I am taking it out and putting it onto the aftermarket wheels. Just gonna go ahead and give a very, very light coat. This is a hub ring. The hub ring will fit between the actual hub of the vehicle and the wheel. It'll take up the space and the gap that's in between there. It will minimize the vibration that the vehicle will get and increase the comfort level that the customer will feel while driving the car.
All right, here we have it, the finished product. Mark, what do you think, man?
I think it looks fantastic. I like the older rims. They were a little more mom and pop. These fit my personality. I've always wanted black rims with red calipers. You guys hit it out of the park.
I agree. I think it looks awesome. Now tell us, Mark, all those out there who want to follow your journey, see what's going on in your exciting life, tell them where they can find you right now.
Instagram and Twitter, it's both the same, at @TheMarkLong.
At the Mark Long, short, simple, to the point. Hey, and if you want your own tires and wheels, caliper painting, whatever, you can find us at rnrtires.com/locations. We have places to serve you all over the U.S., so come see us. Mark, can't thank you enough, man.
Thank you,
Thanks
brother.
for coming by, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching this episode of Tread TV. If you'd like more information on how to care for your vehicle or your tires and wheels, make sure to watch our other videos. Or you can subscribe to our channel and ring the bell and never miss a single update.